Okay, folks, welcome to Best Stock Charts for the coming week. This is Bob Desmond, and it is July the 18th. And these are going to be the stocks that we're watching moving into the new trading week. But before we go to them, let's talk about how our week was. We had an outstanding week for those names that we booked profits on. Blue Apron, we were up nearly 7.5% on that trade. We opened it up on the 14th, closed it on the 17th. Next chart, Veritone. Opened it on the 15th, closed it on the 17th, nearly a 5.5% profit. JDXJ, we're still long on this. We booked some profits on this trade. We took about 20% of our position off the table, and we're up over 12.75% on that trade. The SQQQ, that was a short trade. We closed that out on the 14th for 6.78%, and finally, on the 13th, we booked profits on Cure, C-U-R-E. Now, admittedly on Cure, I was shaken out on that position. I should have held it. The shares did reverse, and they did move up higher. We'll be looking to get back in on that position, and any one of these positions still look really, really good, and we'll be looking to re-enter on good risk-reward entry points. And folks, before we go over to our watch stocks, if you're watching this on the website, enter your email address and first name anywhere on the website, and you'll get the week ahead commentary plus alerts as to when we go live between 15 and 30 minutes prior to us going live on Sunday evenings and on Thursday evenings. So please join us tomorrow night, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, as the futures markets open up and we talk about the markets and the headlines that come out. Now, the symbols that we are going to be going over now, first one up, CVNA, TCX, TWTR being Twitter, iPay is the next one, AZO, MA, MasterCard, NEOS, SVBL, Silver Bullet or Silver Bull, something like that, Silver Stock. Those will be the names that we're looking at for the new trading week. And I do a deep dive on the week ahead commentary. This is our strategy session. I just published it. This has already gone out to members. It's posted in the members area. This is wrong. You do not have to be a gold member. You can be any level membership. This is being changed this week to get access to the week ahead commentary. So please join us, 14-day free trial offer. And on the week ahead commentary, we talk about the markets, how they closed last week, what is our strategy moving into the new trading week. We talk about our positions, and we also talk about our watch stocks, which I'm going to do a very high-level overview of at current. We do a deeper dive on the week-ahead commentary, drilling down to the daily charts, monthly charts, intraday charts when necessary. So let's get to it. The first chart up, weekly charts, CVNA. These will all be weekly charts. We had broken out the week of June the 29th. We pulled back last week, did a retest of support at 124.89. It held. We rallied. We closed at the highs of the week. Bullish key reversal bar, RSI, higher lows, and continuing to rise along with Stokes. Volume rising sequentially. Very nice. Exactly what you want to see. You know, relative to pre-pandemic, volume is normalized. You know, relative to the breakdown in the markets back in February, volume is below average. So volume is beginning to normalize, and you're seeing this across the board with many stocks. I digress. CVNA looking good. Again, remember, we do a deeper dive on the week ahead commentary, and we discuss entry points. Exit points will be posted on the watch list in the members area, along with stop loss points. Next chart up. Two cows. Weekly chart. You could argue that we broke out last week. Let's say we close at resistance. We want to be conservative. Higher lows on Stokes, higher lows on RSI, looking very good. Volume a bit light. So TCX looking good. The technicals are outstanding. We'll be watching for a continuation breakout and a retest of support, and then we'll look to open up a position. And again, we do a deeper dive on the week ahead commentary posted in the members area, Twitter, weekly chart. We broke out last week. And not only did we break out last week, we did a retest of support at around 33.44, which happens to also coincide with the 50-period moving average on a weekly basis. Higher lows on Stokes, higher lows RSI. And of course, again, a breakout above resistance. Very, very nice price action. Volume action was good. And when you think about the fact that Twitter was hacked, and it was a significant hack at that, the shares shrugged it off and they moved up higher. That is a tell. That is the market sending you a signal. So Twitter looking good. Again, members, if you're watching this, go to the members area, check out the weekend commentary where I do a deeper dive. iPay, Prime Mobile Payments, never heard of them, but weekly chart, they broke out last week. The market is sending us a signal. In fact, it sent us a signal the week before last when RSI broke out. It continued to break out last week. This time, though, price followed through and validated the breakout on RSI. Volume, though, very light. iPay, looking strong, moving into the new trading week. AZO, people are not buying new cars. They are holding on to their old cars. What do they need? Auto parts. And AutoZone broke out last week on price, but the market sent you a signal way back here, back during the week of May the 18th. We were breaking out of a long-term downtrend. And in fact, during that week, we had recaptured support, but we've been consolidating ever since, retesting the breakout point, excellent price action, and last week we had a breakout above weekly resistance. No new weekly high, though. However, looking good here. Volume rose versus the prior week or so, but it could have been better. Higher lows and ultimate oscillator, exactly what you want to see. We hockey sticked up last week on ultimate oscillator. Looking good here. So odds definitely favor bulls. And again, I do a deeper dive on the weekend commentary, and stop loss points, target prices will be posted in the members area under the watch list header. MasterCard. Bullish reversal bar. Why isn't it a bullish key reversal? We did not close at the highs of the week last week. However, really nice price action. We retested support. It held. We reversed off the lows of the week. Higher lows on RSI. Higher lows on ultimate oscillator. Actually, money flow. Sorry, money flow. Volume rose last week. Very nice volume. Stokes looking good. Really nothing not to like here. MasterCard looking good. Again, for a deeper dive, go check us out in the members area. 14-day free trial offer. Neos Therapeutics, weekly chart, RSI, we broke out last week. Now, this is a highly speculative stock, and what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to do a start from scratch portfolio. I think I'm going to start with like $1,600. I have an account where I just have $1,600 in there. I don't even know if I have margin on it. And I'm going to build that portfolio. And I'm going to be looking for low dollar, high beta stocks to begin building that portfolio. I'm going to publicize it. So just follow me on YouTube to get those videos. Enter your email address, get the special videos sent to you via email. So last week we reversed off of support, bullish key reversal bar. Volume was okay. And again, breakout on RSI. For a deeper dive, check us out on the week ahead commentary posted in the members area. Last chart up, Silver Bull Resources, weekly chart. Love this chart. And this is another one where I may use, this is an OTC stock, where I may use for that low dollar portfolio starting with $1,600. And I'll illustrate how, using technical analysis, you build a portfolio with a small account. It can be done. Now, Silver Bull, last week, higher lows, RSI higher lows, and we broke out on price. Beautiful price action here. And not for nothing, silver is in fuego. Gold is in fuego. Look at this volume. Massive, massive volume. Ultimate oscillator, higher lows, hockey stick move higher last week. There's nothing not to like here. And in closing, folks, please remember, join us tomorrow night, Sunday Night Futures Live. We start at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. When the futures markets open up, we'll watch and discuss how the futures are trading. We'll discuss the headlines, economic data coming out as well next week, and we'll also discuss earnings, which are coming out next week. If you want to get alerted, simply enter your email address below. You will not be spammed. And if you opt in for the 5 free My Favorite Candlestick Formations tutorial, You will be alerted of as to when we go live. So don't enter your email twice because you get mad at me because you're going to get 2 emails. With that, everybody have a really enjoyable remainder of your weekend. Leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share with a friend, and be well.